Hi guys, today we are going to make a delicious chocolate mousse that you're going to absolutely love. This is only 5 minutes recipe with 4 ingredients. It's going to be absolutely your new holiday favorite. So let's start right away.
Alright guys, for this recipe we just need some sugar and organic cacao powder, avocado and organic vanilla extract. So for the sugar, I just want to say, if you can add I think you can add monk fruit or stevia. You'll have to check how it comes out at the end, and you can also add some date paste and just some dates as well. So whatever your choice is, okay? So this is the items that I'm going to use for my recipe. Put my avocado, and here is my cacao powder, and then I'm going to add about the same amount of sugar, and this is just for one serving, okay? So just if you have 5 guests, I would go for 5 avocados and maybe 2-3 extra, because you don't want somebody coming in asking for more, if they are bringing kids, if they bring extra guests. So I would really advise you keep some extra fresh avocados in the fridge, because this is a quick recipe and you can go in the kitchen really fast and make the dessert chocolate mousse for them immediately, okay? All right. Okay, and then I'm just going to put about 1 teaspoon worth of my vanilla extract right here, okay? Same thing. Now I'm making it for myself, so I know what my taste is, but if you're making for yourself, for your guests, you can always adjust the sugar and the cacao powder, and you can always adjust the vanilla extract if you like more, if you like less, whatever it is. This is just a basic recipe. You can also add different things along with the sugar. You can add dates, you can also add raisins, you can also add some melted chocolate, whatever you like, okay? I'm going to just blend it. I added another spoon of sugar and a scoop of cacao powder because I felt it needed more chocolate. However, it has blended really well and I tasted it. It tastes really good. So now we just have to put it in the server, and that's about it. As you can see, our chocolate mousse is ready. It is looking creamy, smooth, delicious. And so please try this recipe. Let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe. Until the next holiday recipe, we'll meet soon. Bye-bye. For exclusive content, recipes, coaching, and health articles, please make sure you check out the beautiful website, thegardenrecipe.com. You can contact me from there and let me know how you like it. Alright, here's the next video. Enjoy.